Hello friends, how are you? I think all of you are fine at home and staying well at home in this COVID situation. Yesterday my elder sister had recorded the voice and changed that. So I think that became a funny thing. And today I am giving the voice. My elder sister had prepared a tomato for his work of TLM at college. So please subscribe his channel if you are new in her channel, and please like her videos and also please support her because her channel is a new one. So I am requesting you all to support her, otherwise she can't grow up. Today till this much. Meet you soon in the next video.